Have you ever wondered if there is a magic number of push-ups that can help you grow muscle and redefine your strength? Well, there are mistakes that a lot of guys make when starting push-ups, and so they don't notice any results. But you won't make that rookie error, since we'll go over exactly what, when, and how to do push-ups for muscle building. You might find yourself surprised. Keep watching until the very end, because we'll be mapping out a push-up approach to help you bulk up, whether you're just starting out, an intermediate individual, or a push-up pro. Before we proceed, let's clear one thing right away. It's extremely important to keep in mind that performing the same muscle group's resistance exercises every day, including push-ups, is not the most effective strategy. The reason behind this is that when you do movements like push-ups, squats, or pull-ups, you cause tiny tears in your muscle fibers. Now think about not giving these muscles appropriate time to recover and heal those tears, and without proper recovery, these micro tears may become worse over time, which can lead to overtraining or even injuries. Micro tears are beneficial if they are given enough time to heal properly. They are required for driving the muscle building process. When you rest or sleep after an exercise, your body's natural healing processes begin to repair them. Your body regenerates fibers by forming new muscle tissue to fill in the gaps between tears. They are slightly bit bigger once they have been repaired, taking your muscles to the next level. This is known as muscle hypertrophy in the fitness world. Moving on, let's bust a myth and learn more about the science of muscle growth through the modest push-up. First and foremost, let's clarify what muscle hypertrophy really is. It does not mean that you are developing new muscle fibers every time you exercise. Instead, to make it simple, consider it as your existing muscle fibers going to the gym, hitting the weights, and in result becoming thicker. They're bulking and taking up more room. So, how does all this magic happen? Push-ups are the answer. When you master the push-up, you force your muscles to work extra hard. They are dynamically contracting, opposing your body weight and enduring strain. These up and down motions, known as concentric and eccentric movements, are great for working your triceps, deltoids, and pectoral muscles. When you are doing push-ups, you are not only using your muscles to move, but also working against gravity to lift your body up. This resistance causes the micro tears that we mentioned earlier. But here's where things get interesting. Your body is such a smart machine that when it detects these micro tears, it shifts itself into recovery mode like an antivirus software. It boosts hormone production and directs additional resources to these wounded muscles. And you know the end result. Your muscle fibers regenerate and grow larger and stronger. Now let's clear up the common myth that performing push-ups every day means guaranteed results. Well, not exactly. This is because the real muscle building process starts after the workout, when you are relaxing and chilling. After you complete the exercise session, your body increases hormone production and begins the process of muscular protein synthesis. It's like your body has its own repair and upgrade staff. Understand this. If you perform push-ups every day, you're continually keeping that team busy with repairs, not giving them time to upgrade. So instead of allowing your muscles to grow bigger and stronger, you're repeatedly damaging them again and again, slowing down the muscle building process. Simply put, more isn't necessarily better. If you want your muscles to grow bigger and stronger, give them proper rest, allowing them to recover, and then watch how they magically evolve. Now let's address the burning question that everyone is asking. How many push-ups should you perform to get results? The answer varies based on your level of fitness. Your push-up strategy should be tailored to your current fitness level. And keep in mind that doing push-ups every day can be counterproductive. Let's avoid going down that road. Here's a method for individuals who are new to the push-up club. Push yourself to the maximum, but not quite. For example, if your maximum limit is 10 push-ups in one go, attempt for a solid 9 in each set. Let's name it the 1 less max rule. To begin, aim for 3 to 4 sets of 6 to 10 push-ups. And if 10 push-ups seem difficult right now, don't worry. You can choose knee push-ups or another easy-to-do version to build strength until you can do regular push-ups. It's all about improving yourself and growing, not perfection. Always keep in mind that it's not about how you begin. It's all about the journey and your goals. For veteran individuals with a greater amount of expertise, entering the push-up realm as an intermediate or expert athlete is like diving into deeper seas. Your body has most certainly put on a lot of muscle, and it's time to put it to the test. You might observe that 3 to 4 sets of 15 to 25 push-ups is your sweet spot. On days when you're feeling really driven, consider incorporating as many reps as possible until failure. When performing a single exercise, such as push-ups, it is easy to reach plateau at a certain point. This occurs because when your muscles are stressed, they adapt and improve their function. As a result, Executing as many reps as possible might be a surprise party for your muscles, challenging them to keep growing and evolving. If normal push-ups feel too easy, it's time to increase the difficulty. Replace the basics with more difficult variations such as weighted push-ups or clapping push-ups. Turn your training into a stage performance. Now, let's put together a muscle-building push-up routine. The objective is to strike the proper balance of volume and sets. Aim for high-volume sets that will push you but not overwhelm you. Think about your maximum number of push-ups, then lower it by 2 to 3 reps. And keep your sets to 5 to 6 to show some respect for your joints, your faithful sidekicks on this fitness adventure. Remember that push-ups should not take center stage in your workout program. Depending on your fitness level and goals, push-ups can be the main event or a supporting act to key workouts like the bench press. Always begin your workout with high-energy compound movements, followed by isolation exercises. In regards to recovery time, muscles may require up to 48 hours to fully recover from an intense training session. So, plan your push-up days with rest days in between. Push-ups, for example, might be worked on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, with rest days on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and weekends. Let's address the matter of nutrition now. Just like a mouth-watering dish requires the perfect ingredients, your muscle-building mission highly depends on the right nutrition. Your efforts may not deliver the intended outcomes if you do not consume enough protein and maintain a slight calorie surplus. Aim for at least 1 to 2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight and a 250 to 500 calorie surplus. Remember, it's not just about working out hard, it's also about fueling wisely. Finally, let's go over some frequently asked questions about push-ups. The number one question asked is the daily push-up conflict. Keep in mind that you can develop muscle by performing push-ups every day if you give your body sufficient rest in between. However, doing them without rest, on the other hand, can hinder muscular growth. Recovery is critical for muscle building. Second one is, can push-ups help you build a bigger chest? The answer is yes, push-ups can help you grow a bigger chest. They work on the pectoralis major muscles, the largest muscle of the anterior chest wall. Combine them with the proper diet and routine. The third most asked question is, what is the ideal time to perform push-ups? The ideal time is determined by your body's rhythm. Some people enjoy the mornings, while others prefer the evenings. It's all about figuring out what works best for you. Also, for best results, do push-ups 1 to 2 hours after eating a carbohydrate-rich meal. Remember, doing push-ups can be really effective if done with proper form, routine, and nutrition. For the best results, continue to add variety to the types of push-ups you do. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment below with your current push-up record and where you hope to be in a month after following our epic workout routine. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you found this video useful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Your support is a powerful inspiration for us to keep going.